Now we are going to start the next session of 20 verbs. These are the final verbs. We have learned till that we have learned 100 verbs. Okay, 100 verbs. Already we learned 80 verbs. Another set of 20 verbs is here. Another set of 20 verbs is here. The 81. 81 is C. C means the pronunciation is C. The meaning is sew, stitch. Okay, stitch. दर्जी कपड़ा सी रहा है. Okay, दर्जी कपड़ा सी रहा है means tailor is stitching the clothes. Tailor is stitching the clothes. Okay, C means stitch. The next one, 82 is so. So pronunciation is so. The meaning is sleep. The meaning is sleep. मैं रात को 10 बजे सोऊंगी. मैं रात को 10 बजे सोऊंगी means I will go to sleep at 10 o'clock. Okay, I will go to sleep at 10 o'clock. This is the meaning. Sleep. Okay, so means sleep. The next one, 83 is soon. Pronunciation is soon. The meaning is here. The meaning is here. अरे बच्चा सुनो. सुनो मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ. अरे बच्चा सुनो मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ. Okay, child listen. Listen or hear what I am going to say. Okay, this is meaning for soon. Soon means here. The 84 is soch. Pronunciation is soch. The meaning is think. The meaning is think. Okay. परीक्षा के समय ओके परीक्षा के समय छात्रों लिखने के बाद कुछ सोचते हैं. कुछ सोचते हैं. In the time of examination. Okay, in the time of examination, students will think something that they have to write. Okay, that they have to write. So soch means think. Soch means think. Then 85 is har. Har means lose or fail. Lose or fail. मैं क्रिकेट मैच में हार गया. मैं क्रिकेट मैच में हार गया means I lose the cricket match. Okay, today I lose the cricket match. Okay, another meaning is fail. For that we can choose one sentence, that is मैं इस परीक्षा में हार गई हूँ. मैं इस परीक्षा में हार गई हूँ means I failed in this exam. I failed in this exam. Okay, 86 we can see the 86 is ja. Ja. Pronunciation is ja. The meaning is go. मैं मुंबई जाता हूँ. मैं मुंबई जाता हूँ. I am going to Mumbai. Okay, I am going to Mumbai. Okay, then 87 is nach. Nach. Pronunciation is nach. The meaning is dance. Okay, the meaning is dance. Okay, मैं भरतनाट्यम नाचती हूँ. मैं भरतनाट्यम नाचती हूँ. I dance Bharatanatyam. Okay, I will dance Bharatanatyam. Next, mar. Mar. Okay, the pronunciation is mar. The meaning is kill. The meaning is kill. Mar. The pronunciation is mar. The meaning is kill. Okay, bag. Bag. Karkosh ko mara. Bag. Karkosh ko mara means the tiger killed the rabbit. Okay, the tiger killed the rabbit. Understand? Okay. Then 89 is kale. 89 is kale. The pronunciation is kale. The meaning is play. हर बच्चे खेलने चलता है. हर बच्चे खेलने चलता है. Okay. Every child wants to play. Every child wants to play. The 90th one is karch. The 90th one is karch. The pronunciation is karch. The meaning is spend. The meaning is spend. मैं बहुत रुपया खर्च कर रही हूँ. मैं बहुत पैसा, रुपया पैसा are the same thing. बहुत रुपया खर्च रही हूँ means I am spending lot of money. Okay, I am spending lot of money. Okay, that's all the first 10 verbs. Okay, then we can go to the next one. Then we can go to the next one. Okay, the 91st is maaf. The pronunciation is maaf. The meaning is forgive. Okay, pronunciation is maaf. The meaning is forgive. Okay, अध्यापक. अध्यापक छात्रों को माफ किया है. अध्यापक छात्रों को माफ किया है means the teachers forgive the students. The teachers forgive the students. The next one is 92 is madad. The pronunciation is madad. Meaning is help. Meaning is help. Okay, pronunciation is madad. Meaning is help. मैं उस गरीबों की मदद करूँगी. मैं उस गरीबों की मदद करूँगी means I will help the poor. I will help the poor. Madad means help. Okay, madad means help. The 93, see, koshish. Pronunciation is koshish. Meaning is try. Meaning is try. मैं मेरी कक्षा में पहला आने की कोशिश करती हूँ. ओके, मैं मेरी कक्षा में पहला आने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ means I want to be the first. Okay, I want to be the first in the class. Okay, I want to be the first to be in the class. That's why I am trying to get good marks. Okay, I am trying to get good marks. Then 94 is intijar. 94 is intijar. The pronunciation is intijar. The meaning is wait. The meaning is wait. मैं मेरी बच्चों के लिए इंतज़ार करती हूँ. मैं मेरी बच्चों के लिए इंतज़ार करती हूँ means I am waiting for my children. Okay, I am waiting for my children. Okay, 95 is pad. Pad means study. Pad means study. Okay, हर बच्चा स्कूल जाकर पढ़ रहा है. हर बच्चा स्कूल जाकर पढ़ रहा है means okay, every children are going to learn in the school. Every children are going to learn in the school. Then the 96 is viswas. Viswas. The pronunciation is viswas. The meaning is believe. The meaning is believe. मैं मेरी बच्चों की विश्वास करती हूँ. ओके, मैं मेरी बच्चों की विश्वास करती हूँ means I believe my children. Okay, I believe my children. Then 97 teak. Okay, teak. Teak. Pronunciation is teak. The meaning is correct. The meaning is correct. In the classroom, every students are raising their hands when we are asking the questions. Okay, if the answer is correct, then we have to say teak. Then we have to say teak. आपने ठीक कहा है. आपने ठीक कहा है means you are correct. Okay, you are correct. Then 98 galat. Okay, galat. Galat means pronunciation is galat. The meaning is wrong. The meaning is wrong. Same wise we can say आप गलत कह रहे हैं. Okay, आप गलत कह रहे हैं means you are wrong. Okay, you are wrong. You are saying is wrong. Okay, galat. These are the opposites, correct and wrong. Okay, you have to use this in the respective places. Then 99 is hans. Has means laugh. Has means laugh. Okay, छोटी बच्चे मिठाई को देखकर हंस रही है. छोटी बच्चे मिठाई को देखकर हंस रहेंगे. Okay, every small children while seeing the chocolates or while seeing the ice creams or sweets, they will laugh at them. Okay, they will laugh at them. Then the last one, so. So means 100. The last one is dal. The pronunciation is dal. The meaning is put. Okay, putting the pillows in the cot. Okay, putting the pillows in the cot. पिल्लो को काट में डालो. Okay, पिल्लो को काट में डालो. डालो means put. Okay, these are the 100 verbs we have to use in every sentence where it is necessary. Okay, where it is necessary we have to use these verbs in a sentences. Is it clear? Can you understand? Okay.